game selections, review terraces, price list. We have here stickers, retro video game console, Super Famicom, Sega Mega Drive 2, N64, PlayStation 1 Slim, Sega Saturn, Super Nintendo Entertainment System, SNES. We have here DS cartridges, UMD, Nintendo Switch Silicon, GameCube console, PS4 controller, Sega Mega Drive, Xbox One, Kinect here. Second layer, we have PlayStation 2 games, Japan. Yeah, these are Japanese. Xbox OG, Nintendo Wii, PS3, Xbox One, PS4 games, PS5, King of Fighters, PSP, PS2 memory card, joystick, 3DS, crystal case, Xbox 360 power brick, Xbox 360 unit, Xbox One OG, and the PlayStation 3 back button. Here we got here like a tower of display, PlayStation 1, Nintendo Famicom, original PlayStation controller without the analog sticks, Famicom cartridges, Twin B, Goonies, Mac Rider, Rockman 2, NES cartridges, Super Mario Bros. 2, Game Gear, DualShock 2, PlayStation 2 console, Sega Dreamcast, Super Famicom, complete in box cartridges, Excite 5, Super Tennis, Super Famicom controllers, 2, Street Fighter 2. We have here GameCube, complete in box, PlayStation 3 Slim, complete in box, Supreme Retro handheld, very lovely acrylic logo of game selections, restore games and collectibles, and retro toys here. Okay, from this side we have here the merchandise, caps, t-shirts, Space Invaders, Neo Geo, Nintendo, Mario caps, Luigi, Mario cap, Famicom, Sega, PlayStation t-shirts, keyboard, HP mouse, enclosure for hard drives, that's 3DS aluminum case, PS4 silicone. Here, what's this? Professor Clayton for DS, and the Pandora Retro Arcade Portable. Have here PlayStation 3 controllers, silicone cases, Nintendo Switch. Okay, we have here tower, Nintendo toys, Ghost Fighter, or the Europe version, One Piece, US Beta, Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advance SP, Nintendo DS, toys, here, Iron Man toys here. On this side, chargers and accessories, 2DS XL pouch, Nintendo Wiimote, and nunchuck, crystal case for 3DS XL, this light chargers, Game Boy SP chargers, 3DS chargers, PS Vita Slim chargers, PS Vita fan, the 1000 series chargers, PSP chargers, the rechargeable battery for Xbox 360, PS3 controllers, Xbox 360 controllers, PS4 controllers. And we also have the Tower of Keychains, the retro theme, the original Luigi and Mario, the Power Wing, Game Boy retro theme. We have here Pokemon, One Piece, Usopp, Frankie, and other Pokemon characters, Pokeball, the football guy in the Mario. We have here the Posh toy, Pink Yoshi. Alright, so the game list is here, price list is here. Alright, so if you're looking for a place to look for retro and vintage gaming consoles, toys, collectibles, and memorabilia, kindly visit us here at Lower Ground fronting Children's Park here at Ayala Malls. Fairview Terraces is fronting Toys R Us, and you will have a good fun going here. Okay, if you have questions, just DM us on our Facebook page. We have here our Facebook page for Ayala Fairview Terraces Game Selections, and our main page, Game Selections, www.facebook.com/game selections. Thank you.